Sabi nito, effectuation differs from the causal logic where there is a predetermined goal and the process to achieve it is carefully planned in accordance to a set of given resources. Anong sabi dito? Entrepreneurs are entrepreneurial as differentiated from managerial or strategic because they think effectually. Ang causal reasoning kasi ay ito, okay? You have a given goal, okay, and you try to look at your means to achieve this, okay? But this is not in entrepreneurial thinking or effectual reasoning because ang ginagawa niya, pinagsasama-sama niya ang kanyang mga means at humahanap ng end. Ang ginagawa niya, itong lahat ng means ko, itong mga rekado ko, okay? Pero ano kaya sa rekado ko ang magagawa ko? Because you now try to look at the ends of this means. Okay? Naalala niyo yung Iron Chef America? Diba? Hindi nila alam kung ano ang nasa basket nila. Pagbukas, ito na. Ano na ang gagawin mong lutuin. Okay? So, ikaw ang magdidetermine ngayon ng ends mo. Because, according to this quote, okay, you have to work what is already within your control to co-create your future. And always remember, okay, an effectual worldview is rooted in the belief that the future is neither found nor predicted, but rather made. Hindi po ito nahanap, ginagawa po natin.